How to erase duplicate photos on your Android device. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on this video we will see how we can delete duplicate photos on Android device. So without further delay, let's get started. So first of all, you have to open up the application as Files by Google. If you don't have it, you can install it from the Google Play Store. After you have installed the application, now open up Files by Google. Once you're here, tap on the three-line icon at the top left, then tap on Clean. As you can see, this application will automatically detect all the duplicates file from your device. Then tap on Select Files. Now, if you confirm to delete or erase the duplicate photos on your device, tap on All Duplicates and then simply tap on Move to Trash at the bottom of this interface. And with that, all these files will be moved to trash, and after a few days it will be deleted permanently. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.